In this video, we're going to solve more exponential equations. The first one is e to the 1 minus 5x equals 793. Our first step in solving an exponential equation is to rewrite it in log form. When we have an exponential equation with a base of e, that tells us that we're going to use natural log, or ln. Remember that ln is log base e. So ln of 793 equals the power, which is 1 minus 5x. So now, without evaluating the log on the calculator, we're going to solve this equation for x, or get x by itself. Our answer is going to have a natural log in it. So to solve this equation, I'm going to give myself more space. So we have ln of 793 equals 1 minus 5x. Our first step in getting x by itself is to subtract 1 from both sides. Now it's important to keep in mind that this 1 is not coming out of the 793. So that's natural log of 793 minus 1 equals negative 5x. Lastly, to get x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5. So my answer is x equals ln of 793 minus 1 divided by negative 5. And the reason we're doing it this way is because you're going to have to enter this when you're doing the homework problems in MyLab. Now we're going to obtain a decimal approximation for the solution. So in my calculator, I think it's easiest if you start by making the fraction using the a over b button. And then we have natural log, or ln, of 793. Close the parentheses around the 793 and then minus 1. And we are dividing by negative 5. So my answer here is negative 1.135. Of course, you will need to pay attention in MyLab to how the problem wants you to round. Now we're going to go through another example. So this time we have 7 to the x plus 2 power equals 410. So I'm going to start by rewriting in log form. So this time our base is 7. So we're going to have log base 7 of 410 equals the power, which is x plus 2. Now we're going to solve the equation for x and use the change of base formula to express the log in terms of base 10 or e. Our answer is going to have 2 logs in it. So again, we're doing this because this is going to be what you're going to have to enter in the MyLab homework problems. So we have log base 7 of 410 equals x plus 2. Now to make this log into 2 logs that we can use the change of base formula on, we would have log of the second number, the middle number, divided by log of the base. So this is going to be log of 410 divided by log of 7. And that equals x plus 2. And our final step in getting x by itself is to subtract 2 from both sides. Now this 2 is not going to subtract from the numbers. Those numbers are stuck inside the logs. So I'm going to add parentheses here because when I use my calculator, those parentheses are going to come up automatically. So log 410 divided by log 7 minus 2 equals x. And finally, I'm going to use my calculator to get a decimal approximation. So this is what I'm going to type in: log 410 divided by log 7 minus 2. So again, I'm going to start with the fraction. Log 410 divided by log 7, and then minus 2. So that looks like my answer there. And then my answer is 1.092.